Hello everyone, myself Abhijit Sinha, and now today I am going to discuss the question answer of chapter number 15, the North India after the Mauryans and the Sungs. After the Mauryan and the Sungs, the Indo-Greek ruler, the Sakas, the Parthians, the Kusans and the Huns ruled over northern part of India. And in this chapter we had already discussed or already read about all the rulers and their contribution also. What were the contribution of the Indo-Greek rulers? What are the contribution of Kusans and others? And now come on to the question answer. First of all, page number 131, something to know. Number 1 is take the correct option. First question is Sakas originally belong to Central Asia. And number 2, the edict on Girnar mountain is in Junagadh, Gujarat. Next is Kusans were defeated by Huns. The uses of helmets was introduced in India by the Kusans. And the Gandhar school of art made images of only images of Gautam Buddha. Now come on to the next question. It is fill in the blanks. First one is number 1. Grand Dhwaj pillar was built at Besnagar by Heliodorus. Number 2 is who was the most famous ruler of Kusan ruler? The Kanishk. Stitch cloth and long boots were introduced in India by Kusans. Who contributed to the development of Indian theatre? By the Greeks. Kanishk was the follower of dash branch of Buddhism. He was the follower of Mahayana. Come on to the next question. It is match the following. Number 1 is Menander. Menander belong to Indo-Greek. It is E. Number 2 is Saka era. It is also known as national era. Sak Sambat we had already read about in this chapter. Heliodorus follow Vaishnavism. Yavinika, it is related to theatre. And Patanjali, he wrote Mahabhasya, or Mahabhasya wrote by Patanjali. Come on to the question answer. Answer the following question in brief. Where did Menander establish his rule in India? Come on to the page number 127. Among Indo-Greeks, the most famous ruler was Menander. He was Milinda. He adopted Buddhism and established his rule over Punjab and Kashmir. Who was Milinda or Menander? Menander was an Indo-Greek ruler and he adopted Buddhism and established the rule over Punjab and Kashmir. Come on to the next question. Question number 2. Mention the areas where the contribution of Greek was very valuable. The contribution of the Indo-Greeks is manifold in the field of Natyasastra, coinage, sculptures, philosophy and trade. All these 5 are the main areas or the main sector or the main fields where Indo-Greek spread their contribution or make their contribution. Come on to the question number 3. Who were the Kusans and why did they come to India? Kusans कौन थे और इंडिया क्यों आए थे? Now who were the Kusans? Kusans belong to the province of Kins of western China. They were also known as Yuchi. And why they came to India? Because they were defeated by Huns. So they moved toward India and settled in Afghanistan after defeating the Sakas. Now question number 4. How did the contact with mention 5 words which have been adopted from Greek and the other languages. We have adopted many words from them. यहाँ पे them को replace कर देंगे, replace them with Greek and other languages, because the question asks about the Greek and the other languages. Then we have adopted many words from Greek and other languages, such as, or example, that is hora, kalam, play, surang, etc. And the Greek also adopted many Sanskrit words. पहले तो हम लोगों ने ग्रीक से अडॉप्ट किया, ग्रीक भी इंडियन वर्ड कुछ अडॉप्ट किए थे, सच एज करपास, सरकारा, वैदुर्या, etc. And all these are Sanskrit word, because our first language was Sanskrit. Come on to the question number 5. Why did the Greek influence our coinage system? How did the Greeks influence our coinage system? कैसे ग्रीक जो थे वो हम लोगों के कॉइनेज सिस्टम को इन्फ्लुएंस किए, इफेक्ट किए, प्रभावित किया उन्होंने. कम ऑन टू द पेज नंबर 129. फ्रॉम दिस वन, दे ऑल्सो इन्फ्लुएंस, दे रिप्लेस कर देंगे, रिप्लेस द वर्ड दे विथ ग्रीक्स. ग्रीक्स इन्फ्लुएंस्ड और आर्ट ऑफ कॉइनेज. यहाँ पे ऑल्सो लिखेंगे नहीं, क्योंकि ऑल्सो इस लाइन के साथ रिलेट है, इसलिए ऑल्सो लिखा गया है. सिर्फ पूछ रहा है ग्रीक कैसे हमारे कॉइनेज सिस्टम को इफेक्ट किए थे. तो ग्रीक्स इन्फ्लुएंस्ड और आर्ट ऑफ कॉइनेज. दे वर द फर्स्ट रूलर टू इशू राउंड शेप्ड कॉइन्स विथ इमेजेस ऑन बोथ दी साइड. पहले हमारे पास राउंड शेप कॉइन नहीं था और बोथ साइड इमेजेस भी नहीं था. सबसे पहले ग्रीक ने ही इंडिया में इस तरह के कॉइन को यूज़ किया था. दैट्स from this way or from such way Greek influenced our coinage system. Come on to the next, that is answer the following question E. It is also called answer the following question in detail or explain answer the following question. It carry 5 marks. It is not necessary that all the question carry 5 marks. Some question carry 5 marks and it may be possible that some question carry 3 marks or short also. First one is describe the contribution of the Indo-Greek. What are the contribution? What were the contribution in India by the Indo-Greek? So this question is for your assignment work. Okay, 3 question A, B, C और क्वेश्चन आंसर D का 1 to 5 ये मैंने आप लोगों को करवा दिया है. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन एक आप खुद से करेंगे, ये आपके लिए असाइनमेंट वर्क होगा. और इसके बाद वाले वीडियो में आपको इस क्वेश्चन का भी 5 क्वेश्चन का आंसर का डिटेल दिया जाएगा. ओके, सो कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग माय वीडियो वेरी केयरफुली and please be sincere. Okay, thanks to all of you.